Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been growing in popularity in the trading world, copy trading with XM Global. If you're new to the concept or are considering using XM's copy trading feature, this video will give you an in-depth look at its advantages, potential drawbacks, and whether it's the right fit for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into the pros and cons, let's first understand what copy trading is. For those unfamiliar, copy trading is a feature that allows you to copy the trades of experienced traders. Essentially, you can mirror their trades in real time and potentially benefit from their expertise, all without needing to have deep market knowledge yourself. XM Global offers this feature as part of their overall platform, giving you the opportunity to choose from a list of professional traders and copy their strategies automatically. This is a great way for beginners or people with limited time to get involved in trading. How does copy trading work on XM Global? XM Global's copy trading system is relatively straightforward to use. You select a trader whose performance you like, set your investment amount, and then your account mirrors their trades. This process is automated, so once you've set it up, you don't have to manually execute any trades yourself. Everything happens in real time. One of the key features of XM's copy trading platform is transparency. You can see the performance of traders, including their past trades, risk levels, and overall success rates, before deciding to copy them. This adds a layer of trust and ensures that you're not blindly following someone. Now let's take a look at the pros and cons of using XM Global's copy trading feature. Pros of XM Global copy trading: 1. Accessibility for beginners. For newcomers to the world of trading, copy trading is a game changer. You don't need years of experience or deep technical knowledge of the markets to start. By copying experienced traders, you can learn and potentially profit without having to understand all the complexities of Forex or other asset classes. 2. Transparency and control. One of the standout features of XM Global's copy trading is the level of transparency it offers. You can see detailed performance data about the traders you're thinking of copying. You can view their risk levels, success rates, and even their individual trade histories. This level of transparency helps you make an informed decision before committing your funds. 3. Time saving. For people with busy lives or full-time jobs, copy trading allows you to participate in the financial markets without having to monitor them constantly. Once you've set your preferences and selected a trader to copy, everything runs automatically. This is a massive time saver compared to manual trading. 4. Diverse trading strategies. XM Global gives you access to traders with different strategies and risk profiles. Whether you prefer low-risk strategies or are looking to take on a little more risk for potentially higher rewards, you can find a trader who matches your profile. This allows for greater diversification of your investment, which can be a key factor. Cons of XM Global copy trading: 1. Risk of losses. Just like any other type of trading, copy trading comes with inherent risks. There's no guarantee that the traders you copy will continue to be profitable. Even experienced traders can face losing streaks. Therefore, while copy trading can make it easier for beginners, it's not without risks. 2. Limited control over strategy. While copy trading is convenient, it does limit the control you have over your trading decisions. You're essentially following someone else's strategy, and you might not always agree with their choices or risk tolerance. If a trader you're copying makes a risky move or gets caught in a bad trade, you're automatically involved in it as well. 3. Fees and commissions. While XM Global doesn't charge direct fees for using the copy trading feature, there are potential costs associated with the spread and commission on the trades made by the traders you copy. These fees can eat into your profits, especially if the copied trader is making a lot of trades. Final thoughts. To wrap things up, XM Global's copy trading feature can be a great tool for those looking to get involved in trading with minimal effort. It offers a transparent, time-saving, and diversified way to trade with the guidance of experienced professionals. But like any investment, it comes with risks, and it's important to stay informed and not put all your eggs in one basket. If you're ready to give XM Global copy trading a try, make sure to check out the links in the description and the comments below to get started. If you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and reviews on all things trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.